Hello, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Welcome to new English lesson. Let's start our new English lesson for today.
Stretch up, stretch down, spin your head, turn around, move your shoulders, up and down, stretch your arms, and turn around. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning, how are you?
Hello, my dear students. Welcome to new English lesson. Let's first listen to our school vision.
Creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
Now, my dear students, let's start our new lesson. Our lesson today is Our World, Module 5. You will find this lesson in your student book, page 58, and your workbook, page 48. Now, let's say our objectives for today. 1. Identify the new vocabulary. Number 2. To read and answer the question correctly. Let's start our lesson today with the new vocabulary. But first, can you guess our lesson today is about what? Excellent, about technology. Yeah, very good. So, what do you think? Life was like 50 years ago? Yeah, let's see what happened. Let's start with the new vocabulary. Listen, say, and repeat.
Module 5, Our World. 1. Vocabulary. USB stick. Floppy disk. Laptop. Screen. Expensive. Cheap.
Yeah, what is this?
USB stick.
USB. Do you know USB? Do you know what is used for? Excellent. To store or to save information. Very good. Or data.
Floppy disk.
Also, floppy disk was used to save data or information.
Screen.
This is screen. This part, we call it screen. But this device, we call it laptop. Yeah, as you see here, laptop.
Laptop.
Now, let's go to the workbook. But first, let's check these two words, expensive and cheap. Expensive, what does it mean, the word expensive? You can listen to my sentence and guess the meaning. I bought my new tablet for half price. It was very cheap. So, expensive now. Listen and guess the meaning. In the past, mobile phones were expensive and not many people had one. Yes, very good. Expensive is the opposite of cheap. Now, it's practice time. Let's go to our workbook. Page 49, activity 1. Look and write the words in the crossword. Number 1. Let's look at picture number 1. What can you see? USB stick. Very good. Excellent. USB. Number 2. Look at the price tag here. We have mobile phone with 2,250. The other one is 750. So which one is more expensive? Yeah, this one. So here, expensive. Excellent. Number 3, laptop. Very good. Laptop. Number 4, floppy disk. Very good. Floppy disk. Number 5, yeah, here we need the screen. Number 6, cheap. Very good. Now, let's go back again to our student book. Activity 2. Look and read the title. Can you guess what our text today will be about? Excellent. It's about technology of the past and present. Very good. Now we are going to read to find out what were mobile phones and computers like in the past. Let's start.
2. Read and answer. What were mobile phones and computers like in the past?
Technology, past and present.
Today, people do things faster and more easily thanks to technology. In the past, technology wasn't fast or easy to use. Read on and find out how different things were.
Mobile phones. Mobile phones were big and heavy. People couldn't surf the net or take photos with them. They used them only to make calls or to send text messages. Not many people had mobile phones because they were very expensive. Today, mobile phones are small, light, and quite cheap. People use them to make calls, send text messages, check and send emails, surf the net, take photos, and much more. Computers. Computers were very big and heavy too. People didn't surf the net because there was no internet. Later, when the internet became popular, many people used it, but it was very slow. Computer users saved their work on a floppy disk, not on a CD or USB stick. Today, modern computers are smaller, and a lot of people have got laptops or tablets, which are light and easy to carry around.
Now, my students, who can answer me? What were mobile phones and computers like in the past? Did you find the answer? Yes, Mobile phones and the computers were big, heavy, and expensive. Very good. Now I want you to pause the video for a while to read and answer my questions. Back again. Are you ready? Question 1. Was technology fast and easy to use in the past? No, it wasn't. Very good. Number 2. Could people surf the net or take photos with mobile phones? No, they couldn't. Were they cheap? No, they weren't. They were very expensive. What do people use mobile phones for today? They use them to make calls, send text messages, check and send emails, surf the net, take photos, and much more. Did the first computers have internet? No, they didn't. Where did computer users save their work in the past? Excellent, on a floppy disk. What do computers look like today? They are smaller. Very good. Now, let's move to activity number 3. Read again and complete the fact 5. Here we have a comparison between mobile phones in the past and in the present. In the present are smaller and light. So what about the past? In the past, yeah, they were very big and heavy. Excellent. You can find here the answer. Number 2. Made calls, sent text messages. In the past, we can made calls, sent text messages only. But in the present, we can make calls, send text messages, and check and send emails, surf the net, take photos, and much more. Yes, you can find the answer here. People use them to make calls, send text messages, check and send emails, surf the net, take photos, and much more. In the present, are quite cheap, but in the past, excellent, were very expensive. You can find the answer here. Not many people had mobile phones because they were very expensive. Number 4, computers are smaller. In the past, are smaller. In the present, I mean. What about computers in the past? Were very big and heavy. Computers were very big and heavy too. Number 2, saved work on a floppy disk. Nowadays, save your work on a CD or USB stick. You will find the answer here. Now, don't forget to write the answer in your book. Your homework, copy the new vocabulary and write 2 sentences using new vocabulary. This is the end of our lesson today. I hope you are enjoying the video. Thank you.